All right, hey, what's up, guys? So today, let's talk about the Steiner Atlas. So Steiner Atlas is a new offering from Steiner, laser-wise. So it offers obviously Viz and IR lasers, and we'll go deep into the features and stuff. But let's talk a little bit about the background. So I originally drew a style of the Atlas on a napkin, piece of paper, whatever it was. At the time, and gave it to the engineers of Steiner, and was like, "Hey, this is kind of what I'm thinking in my crazy mind of something that may help shooters use the laser a little bit more ergonomically." So they had me out, and we talked about things and kind of drew things and discussed things. And over the course of the years, I got like different samples that showed me like where their progress was. One of the earliest ones was this 3D printed, it's just plastic 3D printed object, but it gave us like what the I guess the essentially what they were trying to go for, which was some kind of dial on top. They were going to do a battery cap on the side like this, kind of funky and with ports on the ends, and little buttons on the end. It was kind of like a cool 3D printed model of what we were talking about. And then lo and behold, we get this. Now, the reason for it, or the main feature that I was looking for, was something that would work really well with a shooter. So when we hold our hand guards and our thumb is trying to activate buttons, what makes it easier for us as righties or lefties? And a ramped back, right, the back being ramped downwards, was kind of the easiest, like, oh, that makes sense. So I kind of thought of it like a jet ski, like the back of a jet ski. But that's my tropical brain going. But that was what I was kind of going for, what I wanted out of a laser. And Steiner was like, let's try it.